name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Santos.
Santos?
Yeah, you?
Ahmed. This is Santos at Kingsborough. We chilling over here. Guatemala, right?
Yeah.
Yemen. Is it first year? Freshman or second year? First year? What's your major? What's your major? Major. What's your major over here? Kingsborough. What are you doing? What are you studying? English? I'm taking a break. Take maybe 1 year break and come back. I did computer science from Yemen. Originally from Yemen. You like the school?
Yeah.
Looks nice, right? Take a picture of me?